To keep up with new MicroStation features and instructional videos, click the subscribe button today.
Let's say you want to create a tool that allows you to place a custom polygon with an area label. With the new Python assistant, we can easily create a code for this, even if we don't know how to code ourselves. First, navigate to the Python editor in the Utilities tab of the ribbon. Once this is open, click Create New Project. Type in a file name and click Save. Now we will write our prompt. Can you write a script which creates a tool to place a closed polygon based on user clicked points defining each vertex? After we finish typing, we will click the blue Enhance button that allows the assistant to alter the prompt to make it easier to code. Then click Send. The assistant will now generate a script for you to copy. Once this is complete, you can scroll to the bottom to see both an explanation of the code and the assistant's confidence in it. Click Copy and paste the file into the middle window. Then click Run. You will now see MicroStation prompt us to create a polygon in the lower left-hand corner. And as you can see, we can do so. Now we will go back to the assistant and update the script. Can you update the script to automatically add a centered label showing the polygon area? We will once again hit the blue Enhance button. Then hit Send. When this is done generating, we will repeat the process of scrolling to the bottom of the script and clicking Copy. Then we will paste the code into the middle window and hit Run. This time, when we finish placing our polygon, you will see an area text label in the center. Now we are going to make one more adjustment to the tool. Can you update the script so that it asks the user to set the label size in a dialog box? We will enhance the prompt and hit Send. When the script is finished generating, we will copy and paste the new code for a final time. Then click Run. You will see a dialog box appear allowing us to type in our label size. We will increase the text size and place a new polygon. As you can see, the area label text is now larger. If we want to access this tool again, we can simply navigate to the Macros section of the toolbar, select this Python file, and click Play. And as you can see, we can now access our newly created tool. Thank you for watching. Follow the channel to keep up with MicroStation.